India's fight for freedom gave us many heroes, but few as burned brightly as Shahid Bhagat Singh, a young man with a heart full of courage and dream of free India. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907, in a small village in Punjab called Banga. His family loved India and hated British rule. As a child, Bhagat saw the pain of his people under British control. Even as a kid, he wanted to fight for freedom. When Bhagat Singh was just 12 years old, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 1919. British soldiers killed hundreds of innocent Indians. This broke young Bhagat's heart and lit a fire in him. He decided he would do anything to free India. As he grew up, Bhagat read books about freedom and revolutions. He joined groups that wanted to end British rule. He believed in equality and justice for all. He wasn't just a dreamer, he was ready to act. Bhagat joined the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He wrote powerful articles and pamphlets to awaken people. His words were simple but strong, telling Indians to stand up and fight for their rights. In 1928, the British sent a group called Simon Commission to India, but it had no Indian members. Bhagat and his friends protested. Simon, go back. During one such protest, a brave leader, Lala Lajpat Rai, was injured by British police and later died. This made Bhagat angry and determined. To send a message, Bhagat Singh and his friend Batukeshwar Dutt threw small bombs in the Central Assembly in Delhi in 1929. The bombs were not meant to kill anyone, just to make a loud noise to spread their message. They shouted, "Inqilab Zindabad," which means, "Long live the revolution." They were arrested, but wanted the world to hear their voice. In jail, Bhagat Singh didn't give up. He went on hunger strike to demand better treatment for Indian prisoners. He wrote letters and inspired people even from behind bars. His courage made him a hero across India. The British saw Bhagat as threat. They put him on trial for his actions. On March 23, 1931, at just 23 years old, Bhagat Singh, along with his friends Rajguru and Sukhdev, was sentenced to death. Even on his final day, he smiled and said, "I am ready to die for my country." Bhagat Singh became Shahid Bhagat Singh. His sacrifice inspired millions to fight for freedom. Even today, his words, "Inqilab Zindabad," echo in our hearts, reminding us to stand up what is right. Shahid Bhagat Singh was not just a freedom fighter for India. He was a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and hope. Let's remember him by working for a better, stronger, and free India.